Hello, my name's Ezer. I'm an ethnic Uyghur from Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China, or East Turkestan, as we like to call it. Currently, I'm living in Belgium. This is my father. His name's Enwer, 57 years old. He's one of the millions who have been detained in China's so-called re-education camps or prison. He's been detained since April 2018. Today it's been already 13 months and I haven't heard about him since then. He was a high school teacher and he was also the principal of that school in our local town called Tosun. He has been a Communist Party member for 30 years and he hasn't committed any crime except the fact that he was born as an ethnic Uyghur. I don't know how to describe the kind of feelings that I've been experiencing since I lost him alive. But what kills me the most is the fact that I haven't been able to do anything about it except making this public and asking for help. So by making this video, I'm hoping that I could get some help from kind people like you. So here's how you can help me. First of all, please, after watching this video, please share it on social medias, on Facebook, on Twitter. On top of that, if you can, please call or write to the Chinese embassy in your country or in your local town and ask about my father's situation. You can also contact your local authorities and urge them to take action against China's brutal crackdown on its ethnic minorities, including Uyghurs, Kazakhs, and others. Thanks for watching this video. I thank you for your support. Goodbye.